business. Hey, welcome back to Living Wild and Free out here in Tennessee. So, major struggles with trying to find the correct bar and chain for this HOLZFORMA. So I'm trying to get a 16 on it. It's supposedly an MS 250, right? So I ordered what went on an MS 250. This is the third one. There's actually another one somewhere. I've got 316. This one won't work for any of my saws. The original one that I did order, that one will work for my other chainsaw, which is cool. And then I went on to the good old Tractor Supply. Hey, I'm filming. These birds are so rude. So we got us a semi chisel. It's a 56. I believe I need a 55. So I went ahead and bought a 55 chain. I don't know that much about chainsaws, but I hope it works. So we're gonna get this thing installed on here. And hopefully we can start cutting with it. Well, I hope it works. Yeah. Alright. So here's what we gotta do. Take it apart again. I mean, even on the HOLZFORMA site, they call out that it needs to be a 3/8 LP 0.50, and that's what I've ordered. The other one was like a 66 or something. This is a 55, or this one's a 56. So let's see if she works. And that's backwards. Hey, make sure you put your chains on the right way. Otherwise they don't like to cut. I know this because I've done it several times. So let's see if we can even get this thing to work for us. That appears to be much better. And I think I can use the 55 as well. So I will have a backup chain. If this thing will come back in and give me enough room. We're gonna find out real quick. But it doesn't clearly call out a 56 or a 55 chain, which is crazy to me. They just say it works with this, and that's what steel and I think it's a knockoff of a steel maybe. Alright, we got her in. Let's start tightening it up a little bit. She looks tight. Looks like it's gonna work, folks. And that 55 chain should work too. So we will have a backup. Now if it starts up and it actually makes the chain move, we're in business. It's cold out here today, guys. It's like 46 and it's about 1:30. or so. The battery in the trailer died. I left something on, so I gotta change that out. That way I can at least get the heater running on the propane when I come out here and stay or whatever. It's only gonna get colder. It's supposed to get down to like 20s at night. I'm gonna work on the water line right now and see if I can't get some water. If I can put some water in it, I can take a shower out here even. Went to try to get the metal today, and the metal that I had basically previously purchased, oh, it actually moves. Look at that. Nice, not too tight. I went to get the metal to skirt the trailer, and they basically undersold me. I had already picked it out, had everything I needed, was going to pick it all up and actually pick up a lot more, because I was going to do the garden shed with it as well. And yeah, and they're like, oh hey, yeah, this one's for sale still. The owner came out and he's like, yeah, I think I got that one sold. Let me call them up, make sure they're not going to come get it or not. So needless to say, he went and called them, and they still wanted it. So hopefully by this week I'll know a better answer from them, if they're going to let me buy it or not. If that other person's going to buy it, I guess. Let's see if we can start to sucker up. It's cold and it's been sitting. Supposed to go when it's in the on position. You're supposed to be able to make the chain move by itself, not it move by itself. There we go. Let that break in for a little while. We'll see how well this cuts. I'll give you awesome feedback. And I even put salt All right, I think this, I guess this is cinematic, so you can't really tell what I was doing. I was cutting with the chainsaw. Chainsaw, duh. So this thing actually performs pretty good so far. I'm probably yelling at you. I'm gonna take that off. Cinematically, I need a haircut. But this thing works pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and get all this cut and bucked. I had it sitting for a while. I need to make a couple of different things out here, so I'm gonna try to get some stuff accomplished. It's really cold. Probably put another jacket on or not, I don't know, we'll see. But there's your cinematic view right there with the filmage footage. Look how beautiful it is back there. I'm just gonna cut the rest of this wood right now, put you guys on a time lapse. Let me know what you think of this saw. I'll let you know how I feel about it. I'm not a professional, but for the price, can't beat it. I mean, it's a knockoff. We'll see how long it lasts. But it does have a warranty.